What's up, guys? Guru here with another tool tip. More and more often we're seeing Allen heads, and a lot of times they're in weird places, weird situations. Most of the time when you get Allen T-handles, they come like this, which is like, you got a regular in there, you got a ball end, you don't even have a really good T. Or here's more of like a true T, and you have this in, and that's all you have, and it's just, the versatility is not good. I'm telling you. These BikeMaster Allen tees are amazing. Open this one up and I'll show you. This is probably my most used tool in the garage, and every time I use it, I'm thankful for buying it. I mean, literally, I think about when I found it, and I'm so thankful. First of all, you got your standard T-handle, and it's strong. You're not gonna, there's no plastic to break. I mean, there's nothing. It's strong as can be. But the real versatility is in this end. All three ends are the same size. So you can slide this back and forth. You can really get into a tight spot because you don't have anything in the way right here. And you can get plenty of leverage. And if you need to move it up higher or up lower to get to that spot, you can. And I'll show you an example of where this comes in really handy for me. Here's a good example, guys, right here on these little head bolts. It's really hard to get in here with any kind of standard T-handle Allen or even a regular Allen, but if you have this, if it doesn't have, if it's taken out of the package, you can get right there wherever you need to get in there. And I mean, if you need to move this up and down, you can. Super easy. Normally, by the time you're taking this off, this is gone. So it's a little even easier than that, but it's really nice. Use it down here on this one, and it just makes life a lot easier. A lot of times our subframe, these bolts are Allens on most of the bikes, and you can put a 6 on there and actually get some leverage, and it's got some length to it too, so you can you can crank it no problem. These help, man, big time. They're only like $8 a piece. From BikeMaster. You can find them on Motorsport, or just get with me. I'll send you some. I know they come in 4, 5, 6, and now they come in 8. They just started releasing them in 8, which is cool. Makes it nice for 8 works on the engine plugs and stuff. So definitely recommend these BikeMaster sliding T-handle Allens. They're definitely handy in the garage for a multitude of jobs. But yeah, guys, appreciate it. Hit subscribe, smash the little bell, and thanks for watching.